Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by sharpening your question into 1 or 2 sentences so searches stay focused. Once done, convert that sentence into 3-5 keywords and add synonyms. Use and slash or slash not to combine them. Make sure to include truncation or wildcards to capture variance. Then pick 2 search sources, Google Scholar for breadth and 1 discipline database for depth. Begin with simple queries and refine immediately. This saves time and surfaces relevant terms you can reuse in advanced searches. Now you refine. Apply filters like date range, document type, and subject area so results become manageable. This reduces noise and highlights recent work. Next, scan citations and related articles links to find clusters of research. Follow prolific authors to their other papers. Also, export or save promising records and note which queries produced them. Once you see patterns, iteratively tweak keywords and filters. Doing this systematically expands coverage without repeating dead-end searches. Finally, organize what you find. Save PDFs, export citations in RIS or BibTX, and tag papers by theme, method, or quality so you can retrieve them fast. For access issues, check preprint servers, your institution's subscriptions, or request via interlibrary loan. Emailing authors often works. If searches dry up, widen your terms, drop restrictive filters, or try citation chaining from a seminal paper. 1 key troubleshooting tip. When relevance falls, simplify your query and look for different synonyms immediately.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.